Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, and let's talk diabetes. We all know that diet plays a huge role in managing this condition. It's not just about cutting out sugar, but choosing the right kinds of foods, especially carbs. Did you know that choosing the right grains can actually make a big difference in managing your blood sugar levels? The grains that are packed with fiber, protein, and can actually help you keep those numbers in check. In this video, we'll uncover the top 8 grains that every diabetic should consider for better blood sugar control and overall health. So if you're ready to take control of your diabetes and start feeling your best, stick around. Okay, let's kick things off with a grain we're all familiar with: wheat. Now, I know what you might be thinking, wheat? But isn't that a carb? And you're right, it is. But here's the thing, not all carbs are created equal. When it comes to diabetes, it's all about choosing the right kind of carbs, and that's where whole wheat comes in. Unlike refined wheat, which is stripped of its nutrients during processing, whole wheat is a powerhouse of fiber. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those dreaded sugar spikes. Look for bread, pasta, and cereals that are made with 100% whole wheat flour. By making smart choices about the grains you consume, you can take control of your diabetes and live a healthier, happier life. Let's move on to another grain that deserves a standing ovation in the world of diabetes management: oats. Oats are like the superhero of the breakfast table, swooping in to save the day when it comes to blood sugar control. They're packed with a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This superhero fiber has been shown to work wonders for people with diabetes. It slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar after meals. Oats also have this incredible ability to improve insulin sensitivity, so whether you prefer them as overnight oats, a warm bowl of oatmeal, or even blended into a smoothie, make oats your go-to breakfast choice. Experience the blood sugar balancing benefits for yourself. Let's travel back in time to explore an ancient grain that's making a comeback in a big way: farro. This nutty and chewy grain has been a staple in Mediterranean diets for centuries, and for good reason. Farro is a nutritional powerhouse packed with fiber, protein, and a whole range of vitamins and minerals. Farro is an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which work together to keep your blood sugar levels in check. It's also a good source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in blood sugar regulation. Studies have shown that people with higher magnesium intakes have a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. If you're looking for a delicious and nutritious way to diversify your grain intake, give farro a try. It's incredibly versatile and can be used in salads, soups, or even as a hearty breakfast porridge. Number 4, buckwheat, the gluten-free grain that's full of surprises. Don't let the name fool you. Buckwheat is not related to wheat at all. It's actually a seed that's naturally gluten-free, making it a great option for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. But even if you don't have gluten issues, buckwheat deserves a spot on your plate, especially if you're managing diabetes. It's loaded with a unique type of antioxidant called rutin. Rutin has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory effects, which is great news for people with diabetes. It also helps to improve blood circulation, essential for delivering nutrients to your cells and removing waste products. Buckwheat is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Try it as a warm breakfast porridge, a hearty salad topper, or even ground into flour for pancakes and muffins. Number 5, sorghum, the powerhouse grain you've never heard of. Let's venture off the beaten path and explore a grain that might be new to you: sorghum. This ancient grain has been a staple in Africa and Asia for centuries, and it's finally getting the recognition it deserves as a nutritional powerhouse. Sorghum is a nutritional all-star, boasting high levels of protein, fiber, and antioxidants. It's also a good source of tannins, plant compounds that have been shown to inhibit enzymes that break down starch into sugar. This means that sorghum can help to slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, keeping your blood sugar levels more stable. If you're looking for a delicious and nutritious way to add more fiber and antioxidants to your diet, give sorghum a try. It's a versatile grain that can be used in a variety of dishes, from breakfast porridge to hearty stews. Number 6, barley, the ancient grain that's making a comeback. Let's travel back in time once again to explore another ancient grain that's making a comeback: barley. Barley is an excellent source of fiber, particularly beta-glucan, that superstar soluble fiber we talked about earlier. Remember how beta-glucan helps to slow down sugar absorption and improve insulin sensitivity? Well, barley is loaded with it. It's also a good source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in blood sugar regulation. Whether you choose hulled barley for a chewier texture, or pearled barley for a quicker cooking time, make sure to add this blood sugar balancing grain to your pantry. Number 7. Amaranth, the gluten-free supergrain. Let's explore another ancient grain that's been nourishing populations for centuries. Amaranth. This gluten-free supergrain packs a powerful nutritional punch, making it a fantastic addition to any diet, especially for those managing diabetes. Amaranth is a nutritional powerhouse, boasting an impressive amount of protein, fiber, and essential minerals like magnesium, manganese, and phosphorus. Amaranth is an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which work together to regulate digestion and keep your blood sugar levels in check. It's also a good source of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. If you're looking for a delicious and nutritious way to boost your fiber intake, manage your blood sugar levels, and add a nutritional boost to your meals, give amaranth a try. Number 8. Quinoa, the complete protein powerhouse. Let's finish strong with a grain that's taken the world by storm: quinoa. This South American superfood has become a household name, and for good reason. Quinoa is one of the few plant-based sources of complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need but can't produce on their own. This makes quinoa an excellent choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to boost their protein intake. Quinoa is packed with fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which helps to regulate digestion, slow down sugar absorption, and keep your blood sugar levels stable. If you're looking for a delicious and nutritious way to add more protein, fiber, and antioxidants to your diet, quinoa is an excellent choice. Take control of your diabetes with these powerhouse grains. So there you have it, 8 incredible grains that can be absolute game changers for managing your diabetes. From the fiber powerhouse of whole wheat to the blood sugar regulating champion barley, these grains offer a delicious and nutritious way to take control of your health. Incorporating these grains into your diet is a simple yet effective step you can take towards better blood sugar control and overall well-being. Experiment with these grains, try out new recipes, and discover your favorites. Your body will thank you for it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed tips on living your healthiest, happiest life. Hit that subscribe button now.